revise. What exactly is a list? It is a combination, a string of elements, and these elements can be of any data type. They can be of integer, they can be float, they can be strings, they can be tuple और even another list. मतलब list के अंदर एक दूसरा list भी हो सकता है. Okay, so elements of all these lists are enclosed within square brackets. इस तरीके से square brackets के अंदर रहते हैं, and these are all separated by a comma. ठीक है. How to define a list? Give a name to a list. जैसे कि list 1 is the name given over here. ठीक है. And then here we have square brackets. Within square brackets we have given the items in the list. These are all integer data type. यहाँ पे जो example में है, and are all separated by commas. Okay. Similarly, here is another list. This list is of all vowels. And how to print a list? We have given print, and then we give the name of the list. Okay, list 1 हो गया, list 2 हो गया, maybe li is one list. Okay, but again giving the name of the list, you have to follow all those variable declaration, identifier, rules and regulations. Okay, now list can be of mixed data types also. जैसे कि यहाँ पे now I have defined a list. Okay, in this there is an integer, then this is float data type, this is string data type. Okay, so it can be of different data types also. A list can have lists within it. Okay, so here is another example. This is another list within this list. ये जो स्टार्टिंग ब्रैकेट एंड दिस इज द एंडिंग ब्रैकेट. ठीक है, इन दो ब्रैकेट्स के बीच में है एक और लिस्ट. ओके, दिस इज वन लिस्ट, दिस इज द सेकेंड लिस्ट. ओके, एंड दिस इज द थर्ड लिस्ट. नाउ इन लिस्ट में भी देखोगे अगर द डेटा टाइप इज डिफरेंट. दिस इज हैविंग स्ट्रिंग डेटा टाइप, दिस इज हैविंग integer data type. Okay, so a list can have other lists and it can have different data types also. Okay, now how to access a list, how to access all the elements in the list. Okay, a list, as we have seen in the previous class, that a list always starts with the index 0. So अगर ये 2 4 6 8 10 12 है, okay, then this 2 is index number 0, this 4 is located in index number 1, 6 is located in index number 2, 8 is located in index number 3, 10 is located in index number 4, 12 is located in index number 5. Okay, a list always starts with index number 0. Okay, left to right जब हम प्रोग्रेस करते हैं तो 0 1 2 3 4 होगा. राइट टू लेफ्ट जब जाते होंगे तो -1 से स्टार्ट होता है. तो -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो अगर यहाँ पे बोला जाता है लिस्ट 0, इट विल रिटर्न द आइटम विच इज देयर इन द 0th place. 0th इंडेक्स में कौन है? 2 है. ओके, सो इट इज गोइंग टू रिटर्न दिस आइटम दैट इज 2. वैसे ही लिस्ट 1 और उसमें हम बोलते हैं 3, तो वो क्या करेगा? थर्ड एलिमेंट जो है, मतलब 0 1 2. ओके, एंड दिस वन इज 3. थर्ड मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि 1 2 3. हमारा रेगुलर काउंटिंग जो है वो 1 2 3 से शुरू होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे इंडेक्सिंग का काउंटिंग जो है वो 0 से शुरू होता है. सो काउंट फ्रॉम 0 0 1 2 एंड 3. सो अब थर्ड प्लेस में जो है, दैट इज थर्ड इंडेक्स में जो है, ओके, नॉट इवन थर्ड प्लेस, वी हैव टू से इट एज थर्ड इंडेक्स. थर्ड इंडेक्स में जो है वो रिटर्न होगा. ओके, सिमिलरली लिस्ट 15. अब देखो कितने टोटल हैं हमारे पास? 0 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. ठीक है, 15th एलिमेंट है कोई? 15th इंडेक्स है कोई? नो, 15th इंडेक्स तो है ही नहीं. ओके, सो इट विल गिव अस एन एरर, एंड इट विल, व्हाट विल बी द एरर? इंडेक्स एरर, बिकॉज दिस इंडेक्स डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. Okay, so you have to be really careful in identifying the error. This is index error. This index does not exist, so the error generated is index error. It will say list index out of range and expression resulting in an integer index. Okay, Next, list 1 plus 4. Okay, what is it going to do? How is it going to calculate this 1 plus 4? This is 0 and this is 1. Okay, so in 1 you have 4. Okay, then 2, then 3, then 4. In fourth element you have 10. So now it is going to add this 4 and in this 10. Okay, so it is going to give you the sum of 10 plus 4, that is 14. Is it right or is it wrong? Is it right or is it wrong? Absolutely wrong. Whenever we say 1 plus 4, it is not going to add the data types in the first element, first index and the fourth index. Never is it going to do that. Okay, the basic reason being, अब देखो इस list में the entire data type is similar. Okay, that we are having only integer data type. Okay, this is not going to happen all the time. यहाँ पे कहीं पे float हो सकता है, कहीं पे string data type हो सकता है. So no, this is not the procedure. Okay, whenever it tells you 1 plus 4, okay, it is going to add the index 1 plus 4. What is 1 plus 4? It is 5. So it is going to fetch the element which is there in the fifth index. What is there in the fifth index? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So what is there in the fifth index? It is 12. So it is going to return you 12. It is not going to add the data which is there in the first index and the data which is there in the fourth index. Okay, it is not going to do that. Okay, it is going to add the index overall and it is going to fetch only one data which is there in that index overall. Okay, सिर्फ एक डेटा को ही फेच करेगा. 4+1 इंडेक्स नंबर्स को वो ऐड कर देगा. ऐड करके जो इंडेक्स नंबर इन रिटर्न बन रहा है उस इंडेक्स नंबर पे जो कोई भी एलिमेंट है उस एलिमेंट को वो वहां से फेच करके लाके दे देगा. Is this clear? Say yes or no. Okay.
Yes.
Next, what is list -1? As I said, when we traverse from right to left, okay, then this one is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4, this is -5, and this is -6. Okay, right to left जब traverse करते हैं तब कोई zero वाला बात नहीं आती है. Okay, zero is not going to play any important role. Right to left traverse करते वक्त always it starts from -1. So what is -1? -1 we have 12. So it is going to return 12. Okay. Say suppose the list is too long. It's very, very long. Then how are we going to fetch the entire list? Okay. How will we know the length of the list? To know the length of the list, we are going to use the function len. Len stands for length. Okay. So if I say n is equal to len list1, and I say print n. Okay, so it is going to print what is the length of list1. The length of list1 is stored in this variable n. So it is going to print n, value of n. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overall 0 to 5 अगर 0 include करके हम लोग count करेंगे, so how many it will be? There are total 6 elements. है कि नहीं? देखो टोटल 6 एलिमेंट्स हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, सो इट इज गोइंग टू टेल यू overall how many elements are there in this particular list. Okay, so 6 elements are there. Now again if I say n minus 1, list 1 n minus 1. Okay, तो अब देखो n minus 1 क्या है? n is the list length. ठीक है, what is n? n is 6 here. So 6 minus 1 मतलब 5. So इंडेक्स नंबर 5 पे कौन है? इंडेक्स नंबर 5 पे है, अब ट्राई करते हैं, 0 1 2 3 4 5. सो इंडेक्स नंबर 5 पे कौन है? 5 पे है 12. ओके, तो इंडेक्स नंबर 5 का 12 अभी हमारे आउटपुट में आ गया. lists are mutable. Okay, before that, list 1 minus n. अगर minus n करना है, so what is minus n? It is minus 6, क्योंकि 6 is the value of n. n को हम लोगों ने store कर दिया. What is n? n is length of the list, that is 6. Okay, so minus 6. So minus 6 में क्या आएगा? अब देखो यहाँ पे, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this is minus 6. So अगर मैं बोलती हूँ list 1 square brackets minus n means minus 6. minus 6 मतलब इंडेक्स में कौन है? minus 6 इंडेक्स में है 2. So अब देखो आ गया मेरा आउटपुट 2, right? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now lists are mutable. We saw that a few data types are mutable, a few data types are not mutable. They are called as immutable. So what are the data types which are mutable? Mutable का मतलब है one which can be manipulated, one in which we can do some changes. Okay. Done. The contents of the list can be changed, the contents of the list can be added, deleted. Okay, we can do some sort of changes in it. Okay, then it is called as mutable. Okay, so what is this mutable thing? Lists are mutable, मतलब list में हम लोग changes कर सकते हैं. Okay, we can add elements, we can change elements, we can delete elements, we can pop them. Okay, हम एक के जगह पे दूसरे को replace कर सकते हैं. Then we call it as mutable. Tell me a data type which is not mutable, which is immutable.
Tuple.
Tuple, absolutely right. Tuples are immutable. Strings are also immutable. Strings में भी हम लोग ऐसे कोई changes लेकर नहीं आ सकते. Okay, so lists are mutable. जैसे कि मान के चलो here list 1 is there, red, green, blue, orange are here. Okay, and I say list 1 का third index में, okay, list 1 का third index I is equal to black. मतलब list 1 के third index में डाल दो black. Okay, तो अब देखो this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, तो 3 पे कौन है हमारा? ऑरेंज है. ओके, सो ऑरेंज इज इन द थर्ड इंडेक्स. सो थर्ड इंडेक्स में अब मैंने उसको बोल दिया है पुट ऑन ब्लैक एंड आई गिव लिस्ट 1. मतलब लिस्ट 1 को प्रिंट करने के लिए मैंने बोल दिया है दिस इज modified list. Now see red, green, blue, and here instead of orange we are getting black. That means the original list is getting manipulated. Whenever the original thing can be manipulated, we say it is mutable. Whenever the originality remains intact, we say immutable. Okay. Now we can perform operations on lists like concatenation. Okay, concatenation means joining. Okay, or adding. Concatenation करने के लिए the symbol that we use is plus symbol. Okay, plus is the symbol which we use for concatenation. Okay, so now list 1 is equal to 13579, list 2 is equal to 24610. If I say list 1 plus list 2, it is not going to add like this 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 5 plus 6, ऐसे add नहीं करने वाला. It is going to join. इस list के पीछे इस list को डाल देगा, list 1 के पीछे list 2 को डाल देगा. Okay, so list 1 में क्या है? 13579. list 2 में क्या है? 24610. Now see they are both joined and this has become one big list. Okay, this is how we can use the concatenation operator, that is plus concatenation. Okay,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
clear? Say yes or no. Okay, so in
Yes.
the next okay, now if I try to concatenate, say suppose list 1 is equal to 1 2 3 and string is equal to ABC. Okay, str1 is equal to ABC. These are two types of lists. Okay, if I try to concatenate these two. The data types are different, so they cannot concatenate. Now it will give me a type error. Type error means दोनों का data type अलग है, so it will not be able to concatenate. So remember one thing, whenever you're trying to concatenate two lists, two different lists, their data types must be similar. Okay, when they are absolutely matching data types, only then the concatenation can take place. Okay, so in the next class we'll see about repetition, how repetition can be done, or we'll do it right now. Okay, in repetition we use this asterisk symbol. Asterisk symbol, it does not multiply, but it tells how many times that particular list has to be repeated. Say suppose list 1 is equal to hello. ओके अगर मैं बोलूं list 1 into 4, ओके तो वो hello को 4 बार प्रिंट करेगा. ओके सो hello 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 hello. Say suppose list 1 is equal to 23. If I say list 1 into 3, it is not going to do 23 into 3. It is going to write 23 3 times. 23 23 23. Okay, it is not going to do 23 into 3. Please don't get confused. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so let us meet in the next class again. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.